Ready to become a top-tier lab leader? If you want to know how to become SM ASCP specialist in microbiology, stay tuned. In 60 seconds, I'll reveal the biggest mistake that keeps techs from advancing fast. This is MLC Academy, built for lab pros chasing ASCP success. Today, you'll get a complete step-by-step on how to become SM ASCP. I'll cover eligibility, application, official requirements, and the national standard exam details for SM ASCP certification. Let's get right into it. First, you need the right education. The ASCP requires a bachelor's degree in science or a generalist MT/MLS ASCP certification from an accredited college. Second, you must meet clinical experience requirements. For SM ASCP, you need full-time experience in at least 4 domains: bacteriology, molecular microbiology, mycobacteriology, mycology, parasitology, or virology. Experience must come from an accredited lab. Third, submit your ASCP application online. Gather all your documentation, including your degree and clinical experience details. Official transcripts need to be sent directly to the ASCP Board of Certification. Application fees are non-refundable, so double-check eligibility details before you apply. Don't make the mistake of applying before you finish your requirements. Missing documents or experience will delay your path. Thousands have passed using expert-led prep at MLC Academy. We offer live classes, video lessons, study guides, and exam Q banks, all mapped to the ASCP domains. To recap, how to become SM ASCP. Get the right science degree, show clinical lab experience, submit documents, and pass the national exam. Explore MLC Academy for everything you need to prep with confidence. Next, we'll cover how to get SM ASCP in detail. Subscribe or check our channel for that deep dive.